Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. There was news that was trending everywhere about a particular young man by the name Tochukwu Okeke, that he is the special assistant to the governor of Enugu State. But some 2 days ago, the government of Enugu State distanced itself from the news that Tochukwu Okeke is a senior special assistant to the governor on security, stating categorically that for avoidance of that the state government has not designated any person whosoever as either special advisor, senior special advisor, or special assistant to the governor on security. And that was disclosed by the Commissioner of Information. The Ohanaeze Igbo has also stepped out to congratulate that information, and they have given Nigerians a promise that they are going to unveil those who are behind the activities of UGM. We are going to look at the full details, because right now most people are like, are you people the media aid to the president, to the governor of Enugu State? Why are you, fronting this whole thing? So we are going to look at full details of it and also what Nigerians have to say about it. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed, just hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our. The youth wing of the Southeast Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohanaeze Igbo Youth Council Worldwide, on Thursday cautioned against what it called deliberate blackmail of the Enugu state government over the activities of unknown gunmen, UGM. It has been reported that there had been a trending story of one Tochukwu Okeke, aka Owo, said to have been nabbed for his alleged involvement in the activities of unknown gunmen. The report claimed that he is a special assistant to Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi on security. The Enugu state government has since debunked the existence of such portfolio in Governor Ugwuanyi's administration. Addressing a press conference, the OIC President General Mazi Okunabuike blamed the trending report on hired blackmail. He said the OIC has uncovered those involved and would soon expose them. According to him, and I quote, he said, "We have followed trending reports about one Tochukwu Okeke, aka who was arrested by the Nigerian army for his alleged involvement in activities of unknown gunmen UGM in Enugu State and beyond. We were more concerned when his name was mentioned as a special assistant on security to the Enugu State Governor, Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, with some published reports on the matter by certain blogs being shared across social media platforms. The leadership of the Ohanaeze Igbo Youth Council did not take this lightly, but has gone ahead to make some inquiries, and we can confidently say that the Enugu State Governor has never appointed anyone as any form of assistant on security, let alone particular individual in focus. It then beats our imagination the intention of the purveyors of that news, especially as Enugu State has remained the most peaceful state in Nigeria. We are all in Nigeria and witnesses to the security breaches in all other state hands and now, but Enugu has remained peaceful owing to the calm disposition of the governor, Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. Security is not a matter to be played politics with, and that is why we are concerned over the development. Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi is a man known widely for his peaceful disposition, who has sacrificed a lot for the sake of peace and unity, and would not in any way support anyone who would turn around to truncate the existing peace in the coal city state. It is pertinent to call on all those behind this cheap blackmail to desist from such, as it would not blow anyone any good. Nothing good can come out of any society where there is no security of life and property, and we should not use blackmail to push Enugu into such a category. If an individual has committed a crime, the person should be charged to court. Making a desperate effort to link the person to the governor is nothing but a cheap blackmail which has fallen as a pack of cards. We say enough of this deliberate blackmail of the governor. Let us allow peace to continue to reign in Enugu State. We shall soon expose those behind these cheap blackmail if they don't desist from their devilish activities. The OIC equally commended the Enugu House of Assembly over the anti-open grazing bill, cautioning other states in the region to do the needful. Said, we are angry with other states of Ebonyi, Abia, Anambra, and Imo State over their silence on the open grazing bill. This is not a time for any form of political correctness, but a time to key into the demands of the people. Governance and true leadership is about listening to the people and leading them accordingly. No sane government will pretend and allow Fulani herdsmen to continue the mindless killing and taking advantage of women under whatever pretext. We have no doubt had enough of such atrocities, and the perpetrators do not seem to have any plan of changing their mind and approach. We shall henceforth hold the governors accountable for any form of killing by herdsmen. We cannot continue to pamper the killer herdsmen while they go on butchering our people without restraint. Like we said before, cattle rearing is a private business and should be treated as such. On the IPOB suspension of sit-at-home order, Oku held the leader of the Biafra group, Nnamdi Kanu, and appealed to all the IPOB members and supporters to obey the latest directive from Kanu to the effect that sit-at-home is now suspended except for the days he will be appearing in court. This is not a time to behave as though the IPOB no longer has a leader. On our own part, we are not relenting but have continued our engagement with top hierarchy both in Igbo land and beyond to ensure that Kanu is released very soon unconditionally. We demand the immediate review of the Petroleum Industry Act recently signed into law by President Muhammadu Buhari, describing it as a call for crisis. The act as signed will set the country on fire because it is a package of injustice to the communities laying the golden egg. This is really interesting. Nigerians have reacted to these statement, call it a press conference made by the youth wing of Ohanaeze and Igbo, and some people are trying to, paint the whole thing in another level, and some believe that Ohanaeze and Igbo you'd have collected some money. That's why they are acting that way. Now, I'm going to read some of the response of some person. This one here says, he said, Ohanaeze and Igbo youth should stop all of this nonsense. When you collect small stipend, you will be talking anyhow. He must have been one of their errand boys. Another person here says, the UGM linking to the state government personally showed that ESN and IPOB are innocent of the accuses. God will expose real criminals in Nigeria just as it has started from the top police leader. This one say, I hardly place any of these men as youth, let alone of being able to properly represent interests of Igbo youth. When have they become the media assistant to the governor? This issue is undefendable. The governor has nothing to offer to the essential need of the people of Enugu State, rather patronizing mediocrity and trivialities. He is guilty as charged. The boy is his. My brother, this issue, now, first of all, I want to say that this issue of Tochukwu Okeke came up some time ago. We heard that the military arrested him, and there was this case that was, his legal representative took the case to court. And when he took the case to court, they found out that he wasn't guilty, and by court ruling, they told the military to release him, that he has no hand in anything unknown gunmen. But most of the media houses keep saying that he has a link with UGM and all of that. Though, as at 15th of August, the military did not respond. They did not even answer. According to the news, as at then, they said the military have not released him. Now, this issue also, it's a very funny issue because linking it with Enugu state government seems not to really, for me, it's not okay, except if they are proven indications or proven evidence that he was one once the aides of the president, of the governor, or maybe he had occupied the office of special assistant to the president on security. But at no one time has he ever been given such portfolio. So for now, I just believe that Ohanaeze and Igbo youth will be true to their word, because if you listen very carefully to what they say they are going to help to expose those who are behind UGM. Don't forget that ESN has been exonerated. IPOP has been exonerated from the activities of UGM. They are mentioning different sets of people and all of that. We are still waiting for OYC, that's the youth wing of Ohanaeze and Igbo, to open up on this. Please go to our comment section. Let's interact. What's your viewpoint on this issue?